Now, the normal duration of these four lives that we have defined: beneficial, non beneficial, comfortable, and uncomfortable. The durations, the normal durations for these lives also vary. Beneficial life, where a person is kind, honest, and everything, normally has a long duration because this person is peaceful, right? This person is happy, he has a lot of happiness hormones in his body, and this person is also relaxed. His parasympathetic nervous system, the rest and repair system is at work. So obviously a person with a beneficial life has a very high chance to have a long, healthy and fruitful life. Yeah. But at the same time, life of a soldier is also very beneficial, which may be very short. Yeah, but then that's an exception. Normally people with beneficial life, they have a long life. Now let us look at the possible duration of non-beneficial life. Non-beneficial life, normally it is short. Why? Because now a person who is greedy or who is hard-hearted may also have a lot of stress. He may feel the vibrations of anger and hatred from other people. He may also be indulged in several vices like excessive alcohol consumption, smoking, addiction, and a lot of other things. So normally a non-beneficial life is short. If it is completely non-beneficial, it is very short. If it is slightly, now here again, the it varies according to the degree of benefit or degree of goodness. The more goodness, longer the life is. Comfortable life is normally, it is average to long, because when you are in a comfortable situation, if you're using your brain, if you're using your discretion, if you're doing the right things, then it is long. Okay, but if you're very comfortable and you're eating all junk food, then yes, it will not be long. But if you're using your discretion, it will be long. In any case, comfortable life at least has an average lifespan. Okay, now let us look at the possible duration of an uncomfortable life. Uncomfortable life also can have an average lifespan. Now let us look at the duration of a non-comfortable life. Non-comfortable life normally has